Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix Discord app not opening. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So in order to fix this guys, we have a couple of steps in for this to be possible. So let's go ahead and close the Discord app. And for this to work, we need to go ahead and right click on the taskbar and select the task manager. And all we have to do is go over to Discord and right click and end task. What that will do is it will remove the background processes of Discord. And once that is done, we need to go ahead and uninstall the Discord app itself. So you just have to go over to add or remove programs. And you just have to go ahead and find Discord and then proceed to uninstall it. After uninstalling it, all you have to do guys next is go ahead and type in run on the Windows search bar. And you need to go ahead and search for percentage. Type in that, type it in app data. Okay, so once that is done, it will be like this. All you need to do is find the Discord folder here. And you just have to right click and delete that. And that should uninstall the Discord completely. After that, you need to go ahead and click on run again. And you just have to add in local on the percentage app data. So percentage, local app data percentage, like that. And find the Discord folder again. Here, right click and delete it again. After that is done, guys, we need to go ahead and reinstall the uh, Discord app itself. So you just have to search for the Discord. Here, so all you have to do is download for Windows. And there. So guys, that is how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching guys and goodbye.